As we age, maintaining physical strength and mobility becomes increasingly important. For seniors, weak legs can be a significant concern, affecting balance, independence, and overall quality of life. One of the most effective ways to combat weakness is through proper nutrition. Certain foods are particularly beneficial in supporting muscle health, improving bone density, and enhancing overall strength. In this article, we will explore the top 5 foods that seniors should incorporate into their diets to help strengthen their legs and maintain mobility. Understanding the importance of nutrition for seniors. A well-balanced diet is crucial for seniors, as it directly impacts their physical health, energy levels, and ability to perform daily activities. Nutritional deficiencies can lead to muscle weakness, bone loss, and increased risk of falls. For seniors with weak legs, incorporating nutrient-dense foods can provide the necessary vitamins and minerals to support muscle function, promote bone density, and improve overall strength. Key nutrients to focus on for leg strength include protein, essential for muscle repair and growth; calcium and vitamin D, vital for bone health; omega-3 fatty acids, help reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery; antioxidants, combat oxidative stress and promote overall health. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are among the most nutrient-rich foods available. They are low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here's how leafy greens can specifically benefit seniors with weak legs. Calcium. Leafy greens are excellent sources of calcium, which is essential for maintaining bone density. Adequate calcium intake can help prevent osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and increases the risk of fractures. Vitamin K. This vitamin plays a crucial role in bone health and helps improve calcium absorption. It has also been linked to a reduced risk of fractures in older adults. Magnesium. Found in leafy greens, magnesium supports muscle function and can help prevent cramps and weakness. Fiber. Leafy greens are high in fiber, promoting digestive health and helping to regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for overall energy and vitality. Incorporation tips. Seniors can enjoy leafy greens in salads, smoothies, soups, or as a side dish. For a nutritious smoothie, blend spinach or kale with fruits like bananas and berries, along with yogurt or almond milk. 2. Fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support leg strength. Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery after physical activity. Omega-3s also support joint health, which is crucial for maintaining mobility. High-quality protein. Fish is an excellent source of protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. Including fish in the diet can help seniors maintain muscle mass, which often declines with age. Vitamin D. Fatty fish are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, which is vital for calcium absorption and bone health. Incorporation tips. Seniors can enjoy fish baked, grilled, or steamed. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. For added flavor, try marinating fish in lemon juice and herbs before cooking. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients and offer numerous benefits for seniors looking to strengthen their legs. High-quality protein. Eggs are one of the best sources of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth and repair. Choline. This nutrient is important for muscle function and nerve health. It's also essential for cognitive function, which can be beneficial for overall well-being. Vitamin D. Eggs, particularly the yolks, are a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health. Antioxidants. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help protect against age-related macular degeneration and support overall eye health. Incorporation tips. Eggs can be prepared in various ways, including boiled, scrambled, or as an omelette. Seniors can enhance their egg dishes by adding vegetables, herbs, and spices for added flavor and nutrients. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense foods that provide a wealth of health benefits for seniors with weak legs. Healthy fats. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are rich in healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting muscle recovery. Protein. Nuts and seeds also provide a good source of plant-based protein, which is important for maintaining muscle mass. Minerals. Many nuts and seeds are rich in minerals like magnesium, zinc, and calcium, all of which are essential for bone health and muscle function. Fiber. High fiber content in nuts and seeds can aid in digestion and help regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporation tips. Seniors can enjoy nuts and seeds as a snack, sprinkle them on salads or yogurt, or add them to smoothies and baked goods. A handful of mixed nuts or a tablespoon of chia seeds in a smoothie can be a nutritious addition to the diet. 5. Legumes. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are an excellent food choice for seniors looking to improve leg strength. High-quality protein. Legumes are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. Fiber. Rich in fiber, legumes support digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels, promoting sustained energy throughout the day. Iron. Many legumes are high in iron, which is vital for oxygen transport in the blood. Adequate iron levels can help prevent fatigue and weakness. Folate. This B vitamin is important for cell division and can help improve overall energy levels. Incorporation tips. Legumes can be added to soups, stews, salads, or served as a side dish. A lentil soup or a chickpea salad can provide a nutritious meal option for seniors. Conclusion. Maintaining leg strength and mobility is essential for seniors to lead an active and independent life. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods into the diet can help combat weakness and support overall health. The top 5 foods for seniors with weak legs: leafy greens, fatty fish, eggs, nuts and seeds, and legumes offer a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that promote muscle health and bone density. In addition to incorporating these foods, seniors should also stay hydrated, engage in regular physical activity, and consult healthcare professionals for personalized dietary recommendations. By making conscious dietary choices, seniors can enhance their strength, improve mobility, and enjoy a higher quality of life.